How can you overcome Chapter 7's presumption of abuse? Imagine you're facing a bankruptcy case and the court has flagged your situation for presumption of abuse. It might seem like a dead end, but there are ways to turn things around. When your income exceeds the median for your state and you fail the means test, the court assumes you should file under Chapter 13 instead of Chapter 7. But that presumption isn't set in stone. You can challenge it by showing there are special circumstances that make Chapter 7 the right choice for you. Special circumstances are unexpected events that temporarily impact your ability to pay debts. For example, if you recently lost your job, had a serious medical emergency, or experienced a sudden spike in expenses like rent or childcare, these can be considered. If you're called to active military duty, or if your income was inflated by overtime that you no longer receive, these are also valid reasons. The key is proving these circumstances are unusual and not part of your normal financial situation. To do that, you need to gather supporting documents. Medical bills, pay stubs showing the loss of overtime, or affidavits explaining your sudden change in income or expenses are all helpful. The court wants to see clear evidence that your current financial state is not typical and that you genuinely cannot afford to repay debts under Chapter 13. If you can convince the court that your situation qualifies as a special circumstance, the presumption of abuse can be rebutted. This means the court will accept your Chapter 7 filing as appropriate. However, if you cannot demonstrate these circumstances convincingly, the court might requiring you to convert your case to Chapter 13 and follow a repayment plan. Alternatively, your case could be dismissed altogether. So, preparing your case carefully is essential. Fill out your means test forms accurately, collect all relevant evidence, and consider consulting a bankruptcy attorney. They can help you identify which circumstances qualify and how best to present your case. Remember, the goal is to show that despite your income level, your current financial situation makes Chapter 7 the better option. With the right evidence and approach, you can overcome the presumption of abuse and move forward with your bankruptcy case.